How to clear WhatsApp storage space in 2024. So if you want to clear WhatsApp storage space in 2024, then what you need to do is first you need to tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application. Go with the app info, or if you can't find the app info, then what you need to do is just open up your settings at first. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Once you're under the apps, now you need to go with see all apps. Scroll all the way down and go with the WhatsApp app. Now once you open up your WhatsApp app, on your settings, you will have this kind of interface. Go with the storage and cache section, and here you need to go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can just go and clear your storage, which is on the left side. But if you clear your storage, you might need to log in to your WhatsApp again. After that, what you can do is open up your WhatsApp and go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. Go with settings. Under settings, you can scroll down, go with storage and data. And here you need to go with manage storage, which is on the upper side, and go with allow and allow. Now here you will have this kind of interface, right? So if you want to clear the storage, then what you can do is just go with the review and delete items. Just go with the items and select the items that you would like to delete. So choose the items. I'll be choosing the items. Once you've chosen, now go with the upper right, which has that delete option, and delete any copies and then delete. And in this way, you'll be able to clear your WhatsApp storage space. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.